Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel Sri's World. Today let us know the benefits of ABC juice. Apple beetroot carrot juice is a nutrient-rich beverage that may offer several benefits during pregnancy due to its high vitamin, mineral and antioxidant content. The key benefits: beetroot is a good source of iron, and the vitamin C in apples and the carrot helps to boost hemoglobin levels and reduce the risk of pregnancy related anemia. It supports the fetal development. The dietary fiber content in all three ingredients helps promote healthy digestion, regulate bowel movements, and alleviate the common issues during pregnancy. The juice is packed with immune boosting nutrients like vitamin A and C, which help strengthen the mother's immune system and protect against infections. It can assist in maintaining healthy blood pressure, reducing the risk of hypertension. It also helps in increasing the energy levels. The natural sugars helps as sustained energy boosted when added to the morning routine during pregnancy. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe.